Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today is our Friday favorites, and we'll let you know where we're off to.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, Tessa and I are going on a trip. We have done, oh my goodness, IKEA trips for hundreds of times, right?
We love IKEA.
When the kids were little, and we
always went.
We love it.
Yeah.
So we're going to IKEA because my studio is set up. Tessa came over and she's like a tornado. She goes through. It's unbelievable. I'm not very good at organizing, but she's like, this, that, this, there, and that. And before you know,
we went through so much stuff.
Yeah.
And here's the time lapse of it.
Well, you know, the time lapse, it's not that exaggerated. That's how fast she works, really.
No, that was probably 2 hours.
I know.
The time lapse goes so fast.
Of
it's like
course.
2 seconds.
No,
but it was probably a couple of hours we spent in there.
Totally.
Going through all our fabrics and
Yeah.
everything. We keep all our scrap fabrics, ladies.
Right.
Our manufacturer has strict instructions and we get bags of fabric back. And we love to repurpose it.
Yeah.
And now Lousje is set up in her beautiful space.
I've got shelves from IKEA. Glenn put them up, but I need 2 more to finish it off. And I still have a few bins and bags to put on the shelf. So then I'm ready to go.
You're ready to go.
Yeah,
and
I'm excited.
We're going to have lunch there today. And what's your favorite?
Well,
the smoked salmon?
Yeah, the smoked salmon and one of the pastries.
Little, rest cracker?
Yes, and one of the pastries always, and a coffee.
And then we grab an ice cream on the way out.
And
We do.
It's true. And sometimes when we don't have time to sit down, we grab a hot dog. But you're not a big hot dog.
I don't know. I don't love the hot dogs, but I love the little veggie medallions.
Oh, that's what you get. Oh, yeah.
I always get those veggie medallions.
I don't like them.
I love them.
Yeah.
You can buy them to take them home.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
They're really fun.
But when we used to go with the kids would always have the pasta, remember?
Always the pasta.
And didn't Ruby always have the salmon or something? Or pasta
No, it was always the pasta with a slice of bread. But they used to have organic pasta for $1.99. And it was like a massive plate. And I remember it was like our thing. It was like our Friday afternoon thing. We would take kids there and let them play in the, in the kids area. They loved that.
Yeah,
it was so much fun.
Yeah, it's a great place.
It was fun.
And we used to buy a lot of stuff for our booth and our
displays.
Business.
Yeah, absolutely. Displays here as well. Frames, everything.
For sure.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. So we're all cozied up.
Yeah.
We got scarves on.
Ready to do a good walk through IKEA.
So I have on the unique scarf, which is, these are beautiful. Yeah. The wool.
Tessa, the color.
The Modellen wool.
Oh, I love it.
And then I put on the Ziska earrings. I thought were a nice contrast with the chocolate brown.
Really nice.
And then our beloved tunnel dress from Lousje and Bean.
Honest to God, you look so cozy and stylish.
It's very cozy, ladies. It's a French terry, so it's nice and cozy. Yeah. And you can manipulate this and play with it, but it's just a great fitting, cozy dress. It's got a nice V-neck here.
What size are you wearing, by the way?
I'm wearing a medium.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted a nice and roomy.
You want a little flow.
It's in our winter sale right now, ladies, so check that out.
Lousje and Bean leggings?
Lousje and Bean leggings, yeah. My ring from Joanna Lovett. And you in Luca?
In Luca and
Liverpool
jeans. Yeah. I love these jeans, by the way.
They're great, eh?
They're great, Tessa.
The Marley
Griffin, such nice washed fabric.
You own them, right?
I do.
Yeah, you do.
And there's a lot of stretch in it and a little bit of that, but not too much. But what I really like, and I do this a lot, I have the Liverpool white shirt.
White shirt underneath.
And I like this little peak of white in the wintertime. And it feels really cozy underneath if you want an extra layer. Nice. Instead of a mesh top, I do this.
You do that.
It's this or a mesh top. So
And then, yeah, the Luca crinkle. We just have
And
a
then,
few left
yeah.
that are in our winter sale.
and then
I know, the
oh
Ayala bar.
my.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
with these little pearlies at the bottom.
Yes. It's exciting, ladies. New items are arriving daily now.
Yeah,
it's pretty
it's
great.
very exciting.
It's
Yeah.
starting a new season, even though we're in the middle of winter now.
Yeah, but
But
makes
it's exciting.
you, you know, it makes you, and the days are getting longer,
Yeah.
and it's a huge difference already.
Yeah.
Like when Glenn and I get up really early, it's now all of a sudden, oh my God, it's light already. And we can watch the birds. But it's a good way of being optimistic about getting through the winter.
Yeah.
You know, we
Getting
have to.
through. I love the winter.
I know you love the
It's
winter,
nice.
but a lot of people don't like the winter.
No, I guess so.
It's not all about you, Lousje.
No, but I find people are so negative sometimes about winter. And I think it can be such a beautiful season.
It's so true.
You know, and
It's so
everybody's
true.
like, oh, I can't wait till it's over.
Oh, no.
It's nice when the snow is out and, you know.
And we are so fortunate in this country that we have a lot of sunlight, which is so
Yes.
different in the Netherlands. It gets light later,
Yeah.
much later, like 8:30. Here it's light now 7:15.
Yeah.
And it gets darker.
Oh,
a
you
lot.
mean in the morning?
Yeah, the days. The
I meant
days
at
are
night.
shorter.
It's like 4 at night. It starts to get dark, like 4:30.
Over there,
Yeah.
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 So their days are very short, and then
Yeah,
it's
no, you're
dark,
right.
and then there are quite a lot of them are depressed, including one of my sisters. We're getting off track.
We are.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
All right, ladies. Well, we're off to IKEA and we're going to get the studio all set so Lousje can start sewing away her scarf. She loves it. It's so much fun. Hey?
Yeah. I'm
Creative
looking
juices
forward to it.
flowing.
Yeah. Spring and summer, right?
Yeah.
Items.
Absolutely. All right.
Okay.
Have an amazing Friday and watch out tomorrow. Lousje has a special video just for you. And as always,
Keep smiling.